Baide Fine Chemical, a leading enterprise in international aerosol products. Anyang Baide Fine Chemical Company Limited, founded in 2008, is a comprehensive high-tech enterprise that integrates research and development, production, and sales. It has a variety of aerosol products such as high-quality, high-end automatic paint spraying, multifunctional adhesive remover, multifunctional rust remover, household automotive cleaner, precision machinery and instrument maintenance agent, and is the leader in the domestic aerosol industry. Baide Refinery is headquartered in Anyang New Material Industrial Park, Henan Province, and its operations center is located in Guangzhou, Daiyi Mountain Villa in Baiyun District. The factory covers an area of over 70,000 square meters and has a first-class research and development laboratory. It is equipped with 15 professional high-speed fully automated intelligent production lines, a storage tank with a capacity of 10,003, and a large-scale storage warehouse that fully meets the production and stocking needs. It has a strong production capacity of 400,000 cans of aerosol products per day. Baide Fine Chemical currently has over 200 employees, specializing in research and development, production, sales, customer service, foreign trade, e-commerce, and brand team. They are dedicated to their work and work together, focusing on product research and development, intelligent production, and domestic production, collaborate with each other in external marketing, market services, e-commerce development, and brand promotion to achieve online success. The integrated brand operation model of offline and domestic and overseas has laid the foundation for internationalization of the Baide Fine Chemical brand. For over a decade, Baide Fine Chemical's products have been developed using imported and domestic first-class enterprise raw materials. The diversified development of hardware and building materials, automotive products, industrial products, coating products, daily chemical products, and other fields has led to distributors all over the country and overseas. Its products under multiple brands, including Weiyue, Xining, Kenayin, Pingheng, Guiyue, Yongxi, Digital, Zaidi, Numeng, Sixue, Hanzhuang, and Jiangong Digital, sell well nationwide and have a high reputation in the industry. The products are well received by consumers.
未来，百得精细化工将成为气雾剂行业的代表性企业。百得气雾剂也将从中国走向世界。
As a member of the Chinese aerosol industry, Baide Fine Chemical has actively participated in the drafting and revision of the national standard for aerosols. As an excellent enterprise in the Chinese aerosol industry, it has obtained 13 national invention patent certificates. We have passed ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 certifications, and are a high-tech enterprise with independent research and development capabilities. Baide Fine Chemical has won honorary certificates such as Excellent Brand Business in Auto Accessories Industry and Excellent Brand Business in Chemical Industry, issued by Alibaba Group, and also won the plaque of Big Taxpayer Award, issued by the local government of Tangyin County, Anyang City. It is a leading poverty alleviation enterprise in Anyang City. Diligent and enterprising, pragmatic and innovative, Baide Fine Chemical will deeply cultivate the field of aerosols, focus on technological innovation and product research and development, produce more high-quality and high-end products, serve the vast number of distributors, meet the diversified needs of consumers, and achieve international branding strategy.
做好后勤保障，提升服务品质。
In the future, Baide Fine Chemical will base itself in China, go global, forge a national brand, and showcase the power of China's intelligent manufacturing.
百得不挠，得其所有。